In this video, we'll show you how to install and use the Samsung Messages app as the default SMS app on your S26. So to do this, first head to the app drawer and then search for the Samsung Galaxy Store app. So simply type in store and then select this first result. Now here you will need to search for the Samsung Messages app and then hit install. Once the app is downloaded, simply open it. Now allow all the necessary permission it needs. Now tap on OK and you will need to select Samsung Messages as the default one and then select set as default. Now simply wait for a couple of seconds and all your messages will be synced. You can now use the Samsung Messages app to send messages. You can even add it to your home screen. So simply search for the Samsung Messages app, long press on it and then select add to home. So this will add the app to your home screen. You can then place it wherever you like. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.